Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got a special guest here.
Hey! Go follow my YouTube channel. It's gonna be down in the description probably.
Yep, and her TikTok.
It's gonna probably be down there.
Yeah.
So
we making me a slime collection. I just made this one.
very big slime collection.
Then she made that greenish bluish one right there. We got activator.
What is this one? You made this?
No. What type of slime?
Oh, I
is
know
that?
what this slime is.
So we're gonna be recording. We're gonna fix that slime. Okay, let's keep it snowy, and then
So let's clean off this bed.
yeah, let's.
So we're
first
gonna do
clean
a
off this
tutorial
bed.
on how we're gonna clean off the bed.
Yep.
And put all the slimes on the floor, then bring it back up when we're done cleaning the bed.
Okay, I'm putting all the glues in here. It barely got glue in it, so there's no point. We might make some slime. Oh yeah, she let me have some of her slime, and I'll let her have some of my slime.
And we make slimes together. I got a great idea.
What?
If we both make slimes, wait, never mind. My idea went.
Oh yeah, guys, we're making a shop. If you don't live in Michigan,
So let's put the
you
food
can't come
guy.
to the shop. We having snacks and we selling slime. Wait, we got a whole thing.
Where the rest of the food guy? I think it's one down here.
I think it's,
Probably. We'll find it when we're done cleaning up.
yeah, we need to clean it
But it's not bad. That don't need to be cleaned up.
up. I'm just not done.
Oh, I thought this could be a container. Put this in a bag. Put this in a bag, and then we can use this as a container.
Okay, get the bag.
Where's the
Alright,
bag?
so, and then we're taking this off. It's no, that's fine. This. Okay, so this is the container for Karina Garcia slimes to go in there.
It
And
won't
this
work.
is good. Here, have it. And then, oh, wait, here. Wait, where's the, oh, I did that.
Here, we can put this slime in here, and then use this bag as something else. And then it's too sticky right now. Okay, put all of this stuff down here.
Let's move these hangers. And this is so easy.
We can push that back here because we're not going to go right there because...
Let's move these beads. You're dead.
Dang it.
I can try some. You got snow all over your pants. We haven't found the colors, the food dye.
Dude, where are they?
There's only two more. We need the green and the blue. You just have.
You told me that. Oh, here they are.
Oh my God! Look at your fingers.
Yeah, they're kind of dyed. We're in a hurry up.
Are we gonna dye any more slimes or no?
We probably will. So.
Let's keep this here.
Okay, so we're gonna bring up all the slimes and we gotta hurry up. And this is our pink
Wait,
activator.
be careful with that. Where's that top though?
It's right here. Oh. Okay, put all the slimes
Up here. And we'll show you all the slimes when we get done with them.
What can we play with slime on? A little hard surface.
It's a table in the living room. Hold on, I gotta get the back. Keep them.
Okay, so
Outdoors.
okay, so we got all the slimes and we're about to have a slurp. I'm about to find the surface. Oh, so I got it. This is for Chloe, and this one is book is for me to play on. And yeah. Okay, here they are. I'm about to move these slimes. So here's one I love. I like this one. It's this color. It's not the best color, but it's the best texture of Forever. Oh, here it is. Nice, crunchy. And it kind of dyes your hands, but it's okay. And this slime is really nice. Got this slime. It's the icy and it's called Kiwi Refreshing. Some of them got names, some of them don't. And it's so crunchy. And yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, we made a TikTok life hack. TikTok life hack. I was gonna use that bowl. We did a TikTok life hacks. So you guys go check out her YouTube video and my TikTok or your TikTok. It was gonna be on my TikTok and her YouTube video.
Okay, that's one. Okay, next one.
So
Well, I'm gonna fix this one.
yeah, I'm gonna do my green slime.
It's
Without crunchy
sticky.
slime. Yeah, you gotta use that activity.
Sticky, 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 sticky. 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 Okay. And your phone is about to die.
Yeah, my phone is back down. We're recording on my phone right now. But I don't have a camera yet. I keep asking.
I don't got an SD card. I got a camera though. That's a lot of.
That's a lot. It's gonna be overly activated.